Walang mic.
And we are ML48! Hello everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. We're so thankful to see everyone here. And grabe, nakaalat lahat ng fans. And grabe, well, energy check tayo sa chat. P-pop fans, are you here? Isa pa, P-pop fans, are you here? Thank you so much. I'm sure grabe talaga yung energy dito na, girls. Grabe, sobrang hype kasi hindi ka nag-fan chan. The moment, like, we start on the stage, narinig ko lahat ng fan chan sa ML Loves natin. Grabe, no? That's true.